I tried looking into the Besynersharp Pro, and here's the honest truth. It's promoted online as a compact electric knife sharpener that can make all your dull blades razor sharp with minimal effort, but real user feedback and testing paint a very different picture. Besynersharp Pro is marketed as a USB-powered electric knife sharpener that promises professional-grade results in seconds. The ads highlight a three-stage sharpening system, high-speed performance, and compatibility with multiple blade types. The product page also pushes limited-time deals and discounts to make it sound like a must-have kitchen upgrade. When you dig deeper, the first thing that stands out is that independent testing and honest user experiences don't back up the marketing claims. According to multiple hands-on reviews, the sharpener is very lightweight, and the USB-powered motor feels weak, more like a low-voltage fan than a powerful sharpening machine. When tested on full-size kitchen knives, it often fails to meaningfully sharpen the blade even after multiple passes. Another issue is the product's online presence and reliability. The website promoting it is very new with no long history, and the only glowing testimonials you'll see come from the brand's own platform rather than independent review sites. A new domain with heavy urgency marketing like countdown timers and limited stock messages often shows a high-pressure sales tactic rather than a reputable brand building trust over time. On the positive side, Besynersharp Pro is certainly compact and easy to store, and setup is simple since it just plugs into a USB port. For very light sharpening tasks like freshening up a small blade or scissors, it can provide a small edge because cheap USB sharpeners do have some grinding capability. The biggest red flag is the gap between the marketing and real performance. The ads promise professional-grade sharpening, but practical tests show it's underpowered for most kitchen knives and more suited for minor touch-ups on thin blades. The marketing uses aggressive urgency tactics and limited transparency about returns and customer support. There are very few independent reviews and no strong evidence this exact model delivers the level of performance it claims. The website's new domain and heavy discount strategy are also classic signs of high-risk dropshipping stores. While the device exists and may work for simple light blades, it does not deliver on the professional results promised. The positives are that it's easy to use and can sharpen small blades slightly. The negatives include weak performance on thicker knives, overhyped marketing, lack of long-term brand reputation, and aggressive limited-time deal tactics. Besynersharp Pro is not a complete scam in the sense that you will receive a product, but it is overhyped and misrepresented. The actual sharpening power is much weaker than the marketing suggests, making it a poor choice for serious kitchen use. If you want reliable kitchen knife sharpening, you're better off with a trusted manual sharpener or a well-reviewed electric model from a reputable brand, rather than relying on a trending USB gadget. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.